Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 9th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished today. We did finish slightly lower. The Dow was down 105 points, while the S&P 500 was lower by 10 points. The Nasdaq giving back 35, and the Russell 2000 dropping 4 points. The bond market showing a bit of strength here, and the yield on the 10-year note sits at 1.825%. Crude oil finishing down just 23 cents, while gold futures finishing pretty much flat, up just 20 cents, while the US dollar pulling back a little here. Now, there was one thing, one chart that was significant today, put in a warning sign here, and that's the VIX. If you look at the VIX chart here, as you go back, this is first of all the CBOE Market Volatility Index. This measures the market's expectation of future volatility and is based on the S&P 500, on options of the S&P 500 index. Now, if you look at the pattern here, generally we spend most of the time below that 20-period moving average. Whenever we pop above, we usually spike here, which is usually coincides with a drop in the markets overall. And you can see that in the past, when it spiked, obviously it doesn't remain there very long, but it's usually when the markets drop. And right now, here, just this past week, we had this move, we pulled back, but today, look at today's bar here. Let me zoom in. You know, very, very wide range. And, you know, even though it had dropped back below that 20-period moving average, quickly came back with a vengeance and closing near the day's high. We also have an upward slope in that 20 again. So, you know, who knows what's around the corner here. But judging by the VIX, looks like we could be getting some more downside in stocks if this just takes off here. So, just a warning sign there. I mean, you know, it's every once in a while it flashes a sign. Sometimes it works out, sometimes not. But more often than not, it's a sharp move higher when volatility increases, and usually is when the markets drop. So keep an eye on that. We'll see if there is a drop coming tomorrow or not. But I would keep an eye on the futures market overnight for an indication of where we are about to open. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.